Prem Kumar and three others, they met us and they met our chairman. And according to them, we were very cordial. Our side also we were present and we welcomed them. We congratulated them also. Then finally, they had faced one freshman also. He came and asked details and they said, let us have some time so that we can approach to other members of IPFTO, those who are still outside of them at that very point of time in Goa. So they will come to state and they will meet other colleagues, those who are still available, and they will sit together and they will convey the message to our chairman, Maharashtra. And they are trying, not really, but they are trying so that they come together one time to join with them. That is what we have done from them. And regarding our meeting with other leaders of other parties in the state, we have no record of it. But we still send message that we want that we should come together so that we can replace the present regime. Those who have become very familiar, they are no more familiar with the people. So we have appealed others also. And many have responded to our appeal, especially from town, Scarp, the minority communities, those who have started their talking with us, if they can become also strong segment of the population, especially the minority Muslim and from civil caste also, and militaries and religious minorities also. They have all started coming and talking to us so that we can make some alternative state government. And regarding that issue, it is in process. We cannot just scale it that this much, that much is with us. But we still open our heart and mind and our talking also with them continuously. Because in politics, we have to enter to a certain area where we can have good understanding with the people. That is going on, that is on the market. Now, what we have been talking with ruling party, I will ask our senior leader, Mr. Jagadish Verma, which we have in Guwahati. So that part is still untold. It's not secret, it is open, but we are yet to take it out and take it to the press also, so that no misunderstanding, no speculation wrongly can be arrived at any places. We are very free. We don't conceal anything, because by concealing nothing will achieve. So we are very free, open to our every step, because our chairman, Honorable Ishwar Manikar, has also advised. We have also been advised by other senior and junior mixed population and mixed ages people in our midst. We want that we should be also guided, we should be also guided together so that we can work actively and with strong mandate we have given to the people, so that people will like to know it. And we are, on the other hand, we are responsible and we cannot be escaped from any mistake wheresoever, whenever we commit it. So we are answerable. Therefore, we want to reveal the truth. So now I will